Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Patel welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel. And today I am going to do an angel card reading for this whole week. And the deck from which I am going to do a card reading is the deck called Angel Answers. I have already set up my intentions and did my prayers for this whole week. Let's begin. Also, people who are visited my channel for the first time, so this card reading is for the whole week in general for everybody. And I use different decks to get the messages from the angels for all who are going to watch this card reading. So let's see what angels messages have for this week. Okay, and so wow, I got the first card. Also, if you would like to have personal card reading, you can contact me through my email ID, and definitely I will do a card reading for you in person also. Why? I don't know why it's taking so long. Yes. Second card. And this is third card. So we got 3 cards for our this week card reading, and those who knows that I, along with the card reading, I also do affirmations card. And what is this affirmation card? Is I do have a deck for the affirmations. So for this deck also I have put my intentions for all those who are going to come and watch this video. The affirmation is for them, so you have to use this affirmation throughout the week and has to say or read as many times as you can, since it's going to help. So this is my first affirmation card, and believe me, it's really good to practice. Wow, I got already 4 affirmation. I think angels want one more, so there are 5 affirmations card. And so I'm going to put my affirmations card on the side, which I pull out. And so I am going to start, reading the messages. So what first card I have got is, wow, a year from now. It says a year from now. So the meaning to this card is, the event you are asking about will occur within this year or soon after. During this time interval, you are encouraged to stay optimistic and to continue with self-care activities and other preparations for your desire. Remember that other people's free will choices are involved. Your angels are presently working behind the scenes on your behalf, even if you can't immediately see the evidence of your answers prayer. Now, second card. Wow, it's very profound. It's an opportunity. The second card which I got for you all is opportunity, and let's see what it means. Positive growth and expansion is on the horizon for you. This opportunity may bring with its inspiration and insight, or it could be the chance you have been waiting for to take action on ideas you already have. You may be seeking to manifest the chance to create changes in your career, buy or sell a home, or bring romance into your life. Whatever your desire, your angels are about to open a door of possibilities for you. Step right thought. Last but not the least, wait. Third card is wait. Wow. So the meaning to the card is, your situation is going to require a little patience. Your angels are not saying no, but they are saying not yet. Sometimes heaven needs a little extra time to make all the pieces fall perfectly into place. What you are asking for may have an effect on the lives of others. When that occurs, it can take additional preparation to make sure that everyone's needs are seen too. Be patient so that all who are involved can have the experience they are meant to have. And now I am going to do the affirmations. So the first affirmations which angels, I trust that my gut reaction is the truth underneath the surface of my fears. I repeat, I trust that my gut reaction is the truth underneath the surface of my fears. Second affirmations card. Stillness is the key to success. I repeat, stillness is the key to success. Third affirmation card. Sometimes no is the most loving response. Sometimes no is the most loving response. And this is for those who are not able to say no. So you guys have to step up and start learning to say no. Fourth card. I begin my day with love. I begin my day with love. Last but not the least, I love my food loves me. I love my food loves me. So guys, this was the card reading and affirmation for this week. So this card reading is in general for everybody, and this is for the whole week from Monday to Sunday, and this message is which I have pulled out a card from the deck is from the angels for the whole week. So if anyone who is interested in a personal card reading or personal angel reading, you can contact me through my email ID, and definitely I will help you with any questions you are having regarding your business, regarding your job, regarding your relationships, or if you are looking for a partner, definitely you can contact me. People who are interested in any kind of healing, it's a personal healing, family healing, relationship healing, you can definitely contact me through my email ID. Also, and those who are seeking for the answers for their life, definitely you can contact me and I will definitely help you to get answers. Also, for those who are interested in learning positive affirmations and positive writing, because believe me, positive affirmations and positive writing is going to help you to create your own destiny and help you to change your life. Thank you all of you for coming and watching my video. I also wanted to say thanks to those who have subscribed to my channel and sharing my videos to the friends and family. Thank you guys. I also wanted to say thanks to all who are writing comments on my videos. Thank you guys. I also want to say thanks to all who are also sending messages through Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and commenting me on my work. And thank you so much for all of you for appreciating me and my work. Also, thank you for showing all the love and support. That's what we needed. I also want to say thanks to my team who is working really hard behind the scene and making sure every week you guys can see my new videos. So thank you so much guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. So till we meet next week guys, take care, stay safe, keep smiling and spread the love and happiness around you. I, Sangeeta Patel, take your leave with lot of love, light and angels blessing. Namaste to all.